Welcome you all. So in this video we will be discussing some important points of structuralism which will help you in your study of uh, literary theory for the exam UGC NET. Okay, so one by one we will be discussing some 18 points. Okay, so let us get started with the first point. The first point says structuralism is a theoretical framework that originated in the field of linguistics. It was developed by Ferdinand de Saussure. Structuralism seeks to uncover the underlying structures and patterns in human culture, language, and behavior. It views language as a system of signs that represents ideas. Structuralists believe that the underlying structures and patterns in language can reveal the underlying structures and patterns in human thought and behavior. Structuralism is based on the idea of synchronic analysis, which studies a system at a single point in time. Structuralists are intended in the deep structures of language and society, not just on the surface level. They, structuralists, reject the idea of individualism and instead focus on the interconnections and relationships between individuals and institutions. Structuralists believe that culture and linguistic systems are made up of rules and conventions that govern the use of signs and symbols. The concept of binary opposition is central to structuralism, where two seemingly opposing concepts are connected and interdependent. Structuralism has been applied to various fields, including literature, anthropology, and psychology. Structuralism has influenced many other theoretical frameworks, including post structuralism, semiotics, and cultural studies. Structuralism is sometimes criticized for its deterministic view of human behavior and its lack of consideration for the agency of individuals. Structuralism was popular in the mid 20th century but lost popularity in the latter half of the century. Claude de Strauss is considered one of the most prominent structural anthropologists. Roland Barthes is considered one of the most prominent structuralist literary critic. Structuralism has been used to analyze works of literature such as myths and fairy tales. Structuralists believe that cultural practices and beliefs can be understood through the study of underlying structures and patterns. Structuralism is often contrasted with postmodern and cultural studies, which focus on the ways in which power and ideology shape cultural practices and beliefs. Despite its criticisms, structuralism remains an important theoretical framework and continues to influence contemporary cultural and linguistic analysis. So these are one of the important facts relating to structuralist theory. I hope this will help you in your study of study for the NET exam. Best of luck.